excited to bring you Practice Web version 21.1, which you get with your paid support. We've added many new features to boost your office's productivity and revenue. Our mission is to help your office thrive. So let's learn more about some of these exciting new features. Patient care and communication has been taken to a new level. You can now send a text message with your patient's forms right through the web form screen. You can also send on-demand text messages to patients with links to your online forms using customizable templates. With these new options, your patient can save time by completing their forms on their own mobile devices before their appointments. It's safe, fast, and easy patient registration. You can also send attachments to your patients with single patient text messages. This feature is perfect for sending documents like post-op instructions or new patient flyers. Help stop no-shows and last-minute cancellations with a Save the Date reminder. PW Connect will send a patient a Save the Date text as soon as the appointment is scheduled, so they can add this to their personal calendar. You can also now have one text message get sent to a family instead of multiple reminders if more than one family member has an appointment scheduled for the same day. This can easily be set up under the reminder schedule in the PW Connect app. A new enhancement to the Appointments module is the Zoom window. You can now customize the font size for the information seen on your screen, which will allow you to clearly read the appointment details to better care for your patients. You can also move the calendar in 3, 4, and 6-month increments, in addition to the day, week, or month buttons. This is beneficial if you want to make sure your appointment schedule is open for the date and time that the patient would like to schedule their next recare appointment. We still recommend using the recall button to schedule the recall appointment. Please check out our tutorial on how to use the recall list or for more information on how to best manage your recalls. There is now an icon for your appointment views that will let you know if a patient's insurance still needs to be verified before their appointment. To set this up, go to the Setup menu, Appointments, then Appointment Views. Make sure that Verify Insurance is part of your main view. Now you can really make sure that your office is meeting its daily production goals. There is now a module preference setting to allow your net production to include any treatment plan procedure adjustments or adjustments from discount plans. This can be enabled by going to the Setup menu, Module Preferences, then check the box for Add Daily Adjustments to Net Production. In the confirmation list, you now have the option to send one confirmation request per family instead of per patient. Just check the Group Families button under the confirmation setup. In the patient information screen, a date picker has been added to the patient's birth date field for faster data entry. Now you can get more accurate insurance estimates for downgraded procedures by having more than one downgrade option per procedure code. In the insurance plan, click on the Other Insurance Info tab and then the Substitute Codes button to set this up. Does your office offer discount plans for patients without insurance? Or would your office like to start offering discount plans? Practice Web can help you manage your in-office discount plans with improved features like discount plan effective dates, plan notes or subscriber notes, and you can set an annual max for the plan and create limitations on frequencies. All information entered in the discount plan will accurately reflect in the patient's treatment plan and account modules. Save valuable time creating lab cases with quick note templates for lab instructions. Simply right-click in the Note section and click on Insert Quick Note. Templates are customizable by procedure or even by lab. You can now more easily achieve a paperless office with Perio exam notes. Exam notes are conveniently located on the Perio chart, so they can be entered at the same time as the exam. There are also new paint types for space maintainers and retain roots to show on the graphical tooth chart. These paint types can be set up under Procedure Codes and Paint Types. You can also provide better patient care by making notes directly on the tooth chart using the Draw tab. You can assign an entry status color to the text and move the text to the location on the chart for the tooth or area of the mouth that the note applies to. Save this graphic to images as a permanent record. The text notes can be removed as the patient's condition improves. With a new setting to help you calculate sales tax for taxable procedures, you can now see what portion is sales tax in the treatment plan module. To set up this feature, first make sure that you have your procedures set up to be taxable. Then under Module Preference, and under the Account Module tab, make sure to enter the sales tax percentage for your area. To see the sales tax portion under the treatment plan, under the Setup menu, click on Display Fields, then Treatment Plan, and make sure that tax estimate is included in your treatment plan view. Entering insurance payments is now easier than ever. You can enter your insurance payments by total, and Practice Web will automatically attach the payment to the respective procedure. Need to edit an individual procedure payment? No problem. Make the necessary change, and then click OK to save. To activate this feature, check the box for Claim Pay by Total Splits automatically under Module Preferences. You can now associate treatment plan procedures with dynamic payment plans. This will help you with more accurate payment plan totals and patient balances. Under the existing dynamic payment plan, click on the Production tab, then click the Add button. Now you can attach the procedures you want to include in this payment plan total balance. New to the Images module is a live feed for intraoral cameras. Please note that the capture feature still only captures a still image. You can now do direct capture of digital X-rays into the Images module. A Twain driver compatible sensor is required. Please note that for advanced digital radiography and better diagnostic capabilities, Practice Web does recommend bridging to an existing digital imaging software like Apteryx or Vizix. The Manage module and reports enhancements include a new integration for QuickBooks Online. Emails from Gmail can now automatically download into the email inbox, improved ERA claim matching, and you can allow these features by going to Module Preferences, then click on the Manage tab. You can minimize navigation and improve patient and office communication with a right-click menu in the task list. You can jump to a patient's account information or send the task to another user with just a couple of mouse clicks. In the Treatment Finder report, you can now filter treatment by treating provider. With these great enhancements, are you ready to upgrade? It's easy. Click on Help and then Update. Use the update code shown and then click Check for Updates. Please call our technical support team for the installation password. Before you attempt to upgrade, please remember to back up your data and make sure that all of your workstations are closed out of Practice Web. Have your upgrade instructions and password ready. You can get the instructions from our website. Please see the link in the description below. If you would like help with upgrading to Practice Web version 21.1 so you can take advantage of these amazing new features, please call support at 800-845-9379 option 2.